In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Paxful. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, log in using your credentials or your biometric. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage, from which if you wish to buy Bitcoin, simply tap on the Bitcoin option. You can now tap on the Convert Bitcoin menu in order to buy your desired Bitcoin. If your identification has already been verified, you will simply be asked to enter how much Bitcoin you wish to add to your account. After entering your desired amount, you can proceed forward with choosing your payment method. After choosing your payment method and entering the credentials of your payment, you can proceed forward with finalizing your transaction. Once your transaction has been done, you will receive your Bitcoin within your total balance section. And now, you can immediately start trading. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Bitcoin on Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.